Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC Gear. Today, we have an unboxing from Damn Designs, and I got a knife and a bead. My pre-orders will not be here right now because they're coming in October and December, possibly, or so. So I got a knife to hold me over and like the Damn Design company and get to know them. This is my Band-Aid I have. It's a really good Band-Aid, but covering this address. This is the Damn Designs logo. My unboxing knife for the video will be the Boker Kalashnikov Harpoon Automatic, not the Mini either. Look at this. Let me come back to you when I get this. I go from the side. Ooh, their box is nice. www.damneddesigns.com. Damned Designs is the logo of a bull. And a Damned Designs bead. Blue. Ooh, you already see the preview. That's nice. Nice blue. Oh, it's typed. Yes, it's taped. Going back to this knife. My tracking said Saturday, but I got it on Wednesday. How nice. Oh, this is the DJINN in red, G10 and D2. G10 scales and D2 blade. DJIN. Okay. Never owned or even borrowed the Damn Designs knife, so I really don't know what I'm in for, but I think I will love this as my new favorite company. Ugh. This is not the new XL that is coming out in the pre-order that I done on Indiegogo. This is the original sizes, so let's see how it works. Oh, me liking this already. No, it's stiff because it's brand new. If anybody knows me, they know I like this style of knives. Oh, damn, that's tight. Let me check it on my end. Oh, wee. No. Oh, that centering is perfecto. I am liking this. Wipe down this blade really, really quick because I have some spotty spots. Look at this blade, guys. See anything on here? Oh, it says D2. D2. M Designs logo. Jimping all on this flipper tab. Amazing. On this front flipper tab. Okay. Next is the bead. To go off camera to see how the bead looks. Because I have to, how to open it. Be right back when I get that. This out. You just twist. DM Designs logo. Let me look at this off camera real quick. It's the Pac-Man ghost. What's the model number for you guys? Acrylic blue is the color. It's the Monsuta. Well, great bead. I'm going to have to learn to make a lanyard, put it on one of my smaller knives, and this is going to be sweet. And this is the DM Designs D-Gin. Let me see again if it is. D-Gin, red G10 D2. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Let me know what you think of the D-Gin in the comment section below. And this bead. And already my favorite company just from an unboxing. And remember to use those sharp blades.